Real quick, this is how you can create a Gmail account without using a phone number. Basically, we're going to click add an account. This is a free guide. We're going to show you how to do it. So click create an account and you can choose one of these things. We'll say for personal use. Now depending on which option you pick, just follow along and we'll go from here. And Randart. Click next and then input your birthday, whichever you would like, say, and then click next. Underneath here you can choose the email you would like to create your Gmail account. Click next and then create a password and then click next, and then you can choose to add a recovery email. In this case we're just going to click skip, and now just to confirm this is your email address, you can click next. As you can see, you can click agree, scroll down and click confirm if you want personalization. Wait for this to load. So as you can see now, you've successfully created a Gmail account without a phone number.